Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you SportsEngine how to add a guardian. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To add a guardian on SportsEngine, what you need to do is first head over and open up your SportsEngine app. Then be sure to be logged in with your family account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you're inside the profile page, here you'll find the option that says My Household. Simply tap on that. Now inside, select the child's profile and then under that profile, click Add Guardian. Now enter the email address of the new guardian and then choose the access level, for example, full guardian access or limited. Then next, simply click on Send Invitation. The new guardian will get an email invite to join and connect to the athlete's profile. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.